Hello, you're watching Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So here are the top headlines for the day. Bitcoin and Ethereum upon easing Israel and Iran conflict, ETF activity and institutional interest, while the regulatory developments in today's Coin Monitor. Before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and let's get started. So cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, experienced a sharp volatility during the recent 12-day conflict between the Israel and the Iran. Prices fell significantly amid the heightened geopolitical concerns, but quickly rebounded following the announcement of a ceasefire, which was widely followed by the two countries. And during the conflict, Bitcoin dropped from $107,000 to $98,200 after the Israel began strikes on June 13th. And most altcoins suffered losses exceeding 10%, and market sentiment remained subdued as hostilities continued, capping any significant recovery. The market bottomed out on June 22nd after the US launched airstrikes on Iranian nuclear facilities, causing further panic. Many altcoins plunged over 30%. However, prices began to recover after the ceasefire, with Bitcoin climbing back above $106,000 mark and close to the pre-conflict levels. As of now, Bitcoin is trading at $106,530, up 1.5%, while Ethereum was at $2,445, gaining by 0.5%. The global crypto market cap rose by 0.6%, was at $3.28 trillion. On June 25th, US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded a strong net inflows of $588.6 million, while the spot Ethereum ETFs witnessed $71.3 million in the net inflows, signaling growing institutional confidence. Speaking about MetaPlanet, often referred to as Asia's MicroStrategy, has raised 10% of its ambitious $5.4 billion capital goal to acquire 210,000 bitcoins by 2027. Meanwhile, the ProCap BTC purchased 3,724 bitcoins at an average price of $103,785 and plans to invest up to $1 billion in the flagship cryptocurrencies. Norwegian deep-sea mining firm Green Minerals announced $1.2 billion in Bitcoin acquisition plan, with broader goals to integrate blockchain into its operations for supply chain transparency and efficiency. Nasdaq-listed Nanolabs revealed plans to issue $500 million in convertible notes to accumulate Binance Coin, which is BNB, it is targeting ownership of 5 to 10% of its total circulating supply. And notable token movements: Chainlink's Link surged to $13.51, outperforming the broader market following its partnership with MasterCard, enabling 3 billion cardholders to purchase crypto on-chain. Aptos, which is APT, climbed nearly 10%, was trading close to around $4.82, driven by the growing adoptions and the user base that now exceeds 46 million. So PI coin jumped 13%, was trading $0.60, fueled by the upcoming exchange listings, community momentum, and strong mainnet progress. Speaking about the regulatory development, few are there. Turkey is preparing stricter regulation to curb illicit crypto activities. Measures including the mandatory 20-character transfers notes, 74-hour withdrawal delays for non-compliance platforms, and stablecoin transaction caps of $3,000 daily and $50,000 monthly. That's what they have come up with. Japan's Financial Services Agency, FSA, has proposed a major reclassification of crypto assets, paving the way for the crypto ETFs and introducing a flat 20% tax on the digital asset income. So going forward, Bitcoin, which is trading above $1 lakh mark threshold levels, signals a shift towards a long-term institutional investments and reduced susceptibility to short-term geopolitical concerns. And immediate conflict risk, which is arising out of the geopolitical conflict, market attention is turning to the US macroeconomic indicators, including inflation, interest rates, and the fiscal policy. That's all there is in Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. Keep watching 3.TV. Thank you.